Hey pre-algebra! In this video we're going to talk about classifying triangles, so this will help you with IXL set 02. So if we have a triangle, we know that it has three sides. So the way that triangles are classified are based on the number of sides that are the same or the number of angles that are the same. So we think about two different properties with shapes, sides and angles. So if I have a triangle where none of the sides are the same, so usually we'll write that with a dash on one, two dashes on the other, and three dashes on the third, meaning none of them are the same. That type of triangle is called scalene. And in this situation, it's also true that none of the angles are the same. So we could use one rounded on one angle, two on another, and three on the third, meaning they're all different size angles. A scalene triangle where so this is also scalene because my three sides are the same, or are all different, but one of the angles is bigger than 90 degrees. When that's the case, we call it an obtuse triangle because it has one obtuse angle. If all of the angles are less than 90 degrees, we could call it scalene, but we could also call it acute. This is also an acute triangle, but it's a special acute triangle because two of the sides are the same and two of the angles are the same. So this is still acute, but it's called isosceles. So one triangle can have two different names. That's okay. This one is both acute and isosceles. Now this one is a scalene triangle because all the sides are different, but it's a special scalene triangle because this angle is 90 degrees. This would be called a right triangle, but it's still scalene because the sides are different. This one is also a right triangle, but because two of the sides are the same, it's a right triangle and it's isosceles. So this one also has two names. This one, we don't know, so this one would also be acute, because all the angles are less than 90. I used the same symbol on those two because those angles are the same. That one's different. And it's isosceles because two of the sides are the same. And finally, when all of the sides are the same, we know one word for this is regular. But it's also called equilateral when it comes to triangles. So when we have equilateral triangles, also all the angles are the same. They can be different sizes, like this is a big equilateral and this is a small one, but because the sides are all the same within the same triangle, they're both equilateral. All right, so that's it for triangles. Good luck!